We already discussed step-by-step on dressing like classic old money aesthetic style in our last video. Now it's time to give final touch that will complete your look. Here are some best perfumes and extra tips to elevate style into the next level. When it comes to choosing a fragrance, we definitely look on ingredients like oranges, lavender, lemon, and etc. From the time those considered to be luxurious and expensive because they required solid investment of time and resources to make. Some of those will produce using the artificial smell which are available cheaper and accessible. These are not sponsored pieces. Here are some of the best and premium fragrances available on the market. Ustra Base Camp. A unique flavor of mint makes the scent perfect for the day out in the sun. It's great for the hot summer season and can be worn by all ages. The Man Company Black. For the first time I smelled it, I felt like it's something that a person of power would wear. It's unique and combines with both fresh and sensual notes. When it comes to any occasions like parties, you can wear this for your suits and jackets. I guarantee that you can definitely get compliments. Beardo Godfather. If you are going to college or office, you can be very classic by wearing this scent and gives long-lasting. Beardo Whiskey. Smoke. If you want to impress any girl or going with a girlfriend for a date, you no need to wear any perfume instead of this, because it smells very naughty and impressive, but only perfumes will not make you complete. You must need personal hygiene. Wearing a fragrance without personal proper hygiene can have opposite effect like smelling bad or unpleasant. Here are the best tips on how to keep yourself clean and fresh in old money style. If possible, buy shampoos from the same fragrance line as your perfume. If not available, choose neutral smelling shampoos. And picking a right mouthwashes is just as important in a personal hygiene. Choose a cool and fresh flavor like mint. It's crucial to pick the perfect fragrance and maintaining good hygiene. Remember, taking care of yourself, investing in quality products is a fucking damn important to be a high-value man. Wearing a best clothing brand is next level. Subscribe to our channel so that you won't miss on the next video.